In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic story videos with Kling AI step by step. First, decide what kind of story you want to tell. Before generating any video, break your story into short scenes. Each scene should have one clear action, location, and purpose. Next, create your main characters. Define important details such as their appearance, clothing, hairstyle, age, and overall visual style. Keep these details consistent throughout your prompts, so the characters look similar from scene to scene. Now write a prompt for your first scene. Describe the character, environment, action, lighting, camera movement, and mood. For example, you could create a scene where a young explorer walks through an abandoned city at sunset. Describe the empty streets, damaged buildings, warm sunlight, atmospheric fog, realistic movement, and a slow cinematic camera tracking the character. Generate the first scene and review the result. Make sure the character, environment, and movement look the way you want, then move to the next scene. Keep the important character details consistent while changing only the location or action needed for the story. Instead of trying to generate an entire story in one video, create several short clips. This gives you more control over each part of the story and makes it easier to fix individual scenes. Camera movement can also help tell the story. Use wide shots to establish locations, close-ups for important moments, and tracking shots when following characters. Pay attention to lighting and mood as well. Bright lighting can create a positive atmosphere, while darker lighting can make a scene feel dramatic or mysterious. After generating all the scenes, combine them in a video editor. Arrange the clips in the correct order and add transitions, music, sound effects, captions, or voiceover if needed. Before publishing, watch the complete video from beginning to end and make sure the story flows naturally. With careful planning, consistent characters, detailed prompts, and cinematic camera movements, Kling AI can help you turn a simple idea into a complete visual story.